Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the referential integrity in Composite Provider in SAP BW for HANA. If you are working on Composite Provider modeling or you are adding a new characteristic into the Composite Provider, then this option is very important to know because this option is only relevant to characteristics, not to the key figure. Like here on the screen you can see, if you open any characteristic and if you click on it, there you can see this option called user confirmed referential integrity. So I will be telling you the benefit and what is the use of this option. First of all, if you do this check mark, then it allows you to make a join with master data SRE table. So very important point is that it makes a join with master data SID table. So meaning that if you use this particular field, like here in this example cost center, into a report, like if you create a query based on this composite provider, and if you use this cost center field, then it will provide this benefit of having linked with this SID table. So your query will be faster, and also there's another good benefit is that it will help you to avoid the null values. I will give you a good example right now how this null value works. So let me show you in a table first. Suppose you have a customer and this is your suppose cost center, and you are having another field called price, and your customer A and B and C, and here this one is the cost center. Now your cost center is having value 1000, and here also 1000, and here in this case the value is null, and price is whatever price I can put it here, and this value also null. So this is a table data, and when you consume this table data into your composite provider view, then this value will become as null. Now in this case, if you make a report, if you make a query based on this composite provider, and if you map this cost center, then how the data will look like. Suppose this is your query, and here it will be showing as not assigned, or this one can be blank. So in this case, your cost center, I'm talking about if you do not do this check mark. In this case, how it doesn't work, so it doesn't work to avoid your blank value. If you do this checking of this user confirmed referential integrity, and in the query if you do some kind of filtering or restriction, then suppose in the query filter, you have given as cost center with 1000, and also you have given another filter is has. Okay, so in the cost center filter you have 1000 and has both. So in this case, in the first when you have this report, this data in the Composite Provider, so you will be getting this report. But if you use this unassigned, if you use this option, then your last row will be removed. Just let me delete it. So in this way, because your SID table will not have the blank value, your SID table will have always some key value like the cost center value. So it will never have blank value in the SID. That's why your null values will be avoided in the query output. That's all about this tutorial. I believe I have provided you the information you need. Please feel free to comment below if you want to know more about this composite border modeling or reference integrity or any other topic in SAP BW HANA or any other SAP product. Please also do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.